Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a hanging basket area for your birds. What I'm using is a Dremel with a multi-purpose tip, a toggle kit, a hook to hang from the ceiling, a shoe tray, and a hanging organizer. I'm using the 6 compartment, but a 3 compartment does work as well. The multi-purpose tray is to catch any droppings from your birds. You'll lay out some paper for them. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so what you're going to do is drill the hole into the ceiling, but you're going to want to measure it out. What I do is I get this, put it against the wall, and I'll bring it about 3-4 inches from it, and I'll see that I want to hang it from the center of the circle. Once you find where you want to drill your hole, you'll want to drill a hole no bigger than the width from across here to here of your screw and the butterfly tool. You don't want to go where these are, only the length. If it's any bigger, this will fall out with tension. Alright, I've made my hole into the ceiling. When you're drilling and you feel it harden up, you can stop. You've hit wood, and when you've hit wood, you can take the drill out. You can use a regular drill to hang your hook from. You don't need the butterfly tool. Now I'm going to get my butterfly tool and test and see if it'll go in a little snug. Alright, I'm going to make it just a little wider. Starting to go in. I feel it. Alright, you'll twist it. Make sure it has some space. Pull down a little bit, make sure it's snug. Once you feel it snug enough, pull down tight with some tension. You'll start screwing it and it'll tighten. It'll take some time, but it will get there. Alright, now it's tightened and you can hang your baskets from it. As you can see, I have a popcorn-like ceiling that's been painted over. What I will be doing later on, I will not be showing it in this video, but what you can do if you have this type of ceiling, to prevent your birds from eating it, you'll want to tape it around. And what I like to do is put tape around it and then get some stickers from the stores, the wall stickers, and stick them up there so they have something to interact with. And they'll want to chew the stickers instead of chewing through the tape. Every now and then you'll want to check the tape to make sure it's still good. Every now and then you might want to replace it, but it's best to cover it before your birds can eat it. Alright, now you've got your hook hanging from the ceiling. You can get your hanging organizing basket, hang it from there. So you can see the little cubbies so they can hide out inside of it. What I like to do is get crumpled up paper and put it inside the basket so they can chew in. You can hang toys from the insides of here, as well as you can cut slits in some of them to put your bowls inside, the ones that have the ledges at the bottom. It'll keep it snug and tight, and then they can get their food and their water. Now, the tray is to go underneath to collect all the droppings. You want to lay out paper. You can use scratch paper, old magazines, newspaper, anything to catch it, because if it gets stuck on this, you can use it to save the paper, but it is hard to clean it off. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, please comment below, and thank you for watching Curious Cockatiels.